Standing on the deck of a ship. Okay, deck means what? This portion. Suppose, see, this is the ship, let's say over here. Okay, and this is the deck, top portion, which is 10 meters above the water level. Okay, 10 meters above. He observes an angle of elevation at the top of the hill as 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Okay, and angle of depression of the base of the hill as 30 degrees. Means depression, see, this is 30 degrees. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the ship. Okay, so what have you been given? Only this distance, that is 10, and remaining everything you have to find out. You don't know anything. The height of the hill you don't know, the distance you don't know. So this is 45, this is 30, this is 10. Now let's move on. So depression means what? It's with the horizontal, so 30. So tan 30 equals to, let's move this geometrical figure. See this, tan 30 equals to 10 upon h, or d you can call it, but this is d and h are equal. Why? Because this angle is 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. So 45 90 means this also 45, both the sides are equal. So this is also h distance, and this above part is also h, right? So tan 30 equals to 10 upon h, right? 10 upon adjacent, opposite upon adjacent. So h equals to what? 10 upon tan 30. But what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. So h equals to 10 root 3. Root 3 comes up. So you can multiply it. 10 into 1.73. Look at what's given in the exam. If 1.73 is not given, only the answer is in root 3, keep it as it is. Okay. So h is what? 17.3 meters. Now hill is what? You know 10. This is the total height is 10 plus h, right? So 17.3 plus 10. So 27.3 meters. Or if it's in root 3, it will be 10 root 3 plus 10. Next, the shadow